Hey, hello, what's up? And so welcome back to Rockstar. Yes, and in this video, we're going to see about the JavaScript arrays. So, this is array like apple 0, mango 1, orange 2, grapes 3, banana 4, like this. So, detailedly, I'm going to explain in this video. So, before going into the video, if you didn't subscribe our channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified. So first of all, what is an array? An array is an object that can store a collection of items. So it can store a collection, it can store many items. Like arrays become really useful when we need to store large amounts of data of the same type. So it will be really useful when we need to store large amounts of data of the same type. So for example, suppose you want to store details of 500 employees. If you're using variables, you'll have to create 500 variables, whereas you can do the same with a single array. So in a single array, you can instead of creating 500 variables, like you can just do that in an array. So we can access the items in an array by referring to its index number, and the index of the first element of an array is 0. We saw that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that and all are the index numbers. So 0 is the starting index number. So it's not 1, it's 0. Remember it, it's a main point. So arrays are commonly used in computer programs to organize data. So it's commonly used in computer programs because we need to organize data. Okay, when data objects are stored in an array, individual objects are selected by an index. So individual objects are selected by an index. An index maps the array value to a stored object. So the index maps the array value to a stored objects. The size of array is always fixed. The size of the array is always fixed only. So memory for the entire array is always reserved even though we use only the part of an array. Okay. So next, this is an to create an array. So instead of like where students is equal to John and Kevin. So this is variable students is equal to John and Kevin. So that's an array, but if you do like this, like see where student 1 is equal to John, variable student 2 is equal to 1. Instead of that, you can just do that whole thing in array itself. So this is array is really useful. Instead of using a variable, you can do like that. So this is also the example of creating an array. Variable fruits is equal to apple, mango, orange, grapes, banana. So this is also a way to create an array. So next, we must have expected maximum size of the list in advance. Okay, so JavaScript create array. You can create an array in JavaScript as given below. So this is also an example. Variable students is equal to John and Kevin. That's the same example itself. Here we are initializing array students, and when it's created with values John, Ann and Kevin. So John, Ann and Kevin are values. The index of John, Ann and Kevin is 0, 1 and 2. So the index number of John is 0 and 1 and Kevin 2 respectively. So if you want to add more elements to the students array, we can do it like this. So like can do like this. Students 3 is equal to Emma, students 4 is equal to Rose. You can also do like this. So you can create an array using array constructor like this. See, you can also, it's another way also, it's there. Variable students is equal to new array John and Kevin, or variable students is equal to new array student 0 is equal to John, students 1 is equal to 1, students 2 is equal to Kevin. JavaScript array methods. The array object has many properties and methods which help developers to handle arrays easily and efficiently. You can get the value of a property by specifying array name, property, and the output of a method by specifying array name dot method bracket. So this is how these are the JavaScript array methods. So we are going to see about the JavaScript array methods. So like we have released the video like concat, like that we have released the video, right? So like that only the JavaScript array methods are. So like that only the JavaScript array methods are. So JavaScript array methods, I'll explain about it in the next part. So thanks for watching this video. The JavaScript array methods part 2 it's gonna release. So don't miss to watch it. And after releasing that video, I'll also give this link video, and after releasing that video, I'll also give that link video in this video in description, so that you don't miss the series of JavaScript array. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.